Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor, Carmel College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nuve, Goa. Program: Bachelor of Science, 3rd year, Subject: Botany, Semester 6, Course Code BOC 110, Course Title: Plant Ecology and Phytogeography. Title of the unit: Phytogeography. Module name: Terrestrial Biome, Temperate and Tundra. The outline of this module is Terrestrial Biome, Temperate and Terrestrial Biome, Tundra. The learning outcomes of this module are: student recalls the concept of temperate and tundra biome, explains types of temperate biomes, explains tundra biome. Now in this module, we'll be studying about the terrestrial biome, that is temperate as well as tundra, and the various characteristics of those biomes. Temperate biomes are between the tropics and the polar regions. The changes in these regions between the summer and winter are generally moderate rather than having extreme differences. Now, temperate biomes, they cover most of the continental United States, Europe and Asia. There are three major types of temperate biomes. The first is temperate forest, second, temperate grasslands, third, cold desert. The first, temperate forest, they are further divided into three forest types. The first is temperate deciduous forest, temperate evergreen woodland, also known as chaparral, and temperate rainforest. The temperate deciduous forests are found in North America, Europe, Eastern Asia, Chile, and part of Australia and Japan. The characteristics of temperate deciduous forest are moderate climate and broad-leaved deciduous trees which shed their leaves in fall and are bare over winter and grow new foliage in the spring. A cold winter, an annual rainfall of 75 to 150 centimeter, a temperature of 10 to 20 degrees centigrades. These are the predominant plant genera of this biome. Coniferous vegetation also may be quite predominant. The animals originally present in temperate forest are deer, bears, squirrels, grey foxes, bobcats, wild turkey and woodpeckers. In India, temperate vegetation occur in Himalayas, which includes pines, fir, yew and juniper trees with an underground. In temperate India, temperate vegetation occur in Himalayas, which includes pines, fir, yew and juniper trees with an undergrowth of scrubby rhododendrons. Next is the temperate evergreen woodland, also known as chaparral. The temperate evergreen woodland is found in North America, is the chaparral of Pacific coast, in the Mediterranean region, Spain and on the Australia's south coast. The characteristics of temperate evergreen woodland or chaparral are: they are inhabited by low evergreen trees with small hard needles or slightly broader leaves. The scrubs may range up to 3 to 4 meters in height. The characteristic animals of temperate evergreen woodland or chaparral are mule deer, brush rabbits, wood rats, chipmunks and lizards. Next is the temperate rainforest. The temperate rainforests are found in the same parts of northwestern Pacific coast of North America, in South Chile, the west coast of New Zealand and Tasmania, southeastern Australia, and northwestern North America. The characteristics of temperate evergreen woodland or chaparral are: the temperate rainforest is a colder ecosystem than any other rainforest. Rainfall is high, but fog may be very heavy, and more important, which is the source of water than the rainfall. The dominant trees are redwood of the Pacific coast of North America and alpine ash of Australia and Tasmania, both of which reach more than 100 meters in height. The animals of temperate rainforest are similar to those of the deciduous forests. Next are the temperate grasslands. Now, temperate grasslands are found throughout North America, where they are known as prairies, and within Eurasia, where they are known as steppes. The characteristics of temperate grasslands: annual fluctuation in temperature with hot summers and cold winters. The annual temperature variation produces specific growing seasons for the plants. Annual precipitation, it ranges from 25 centimeters to 75 centimeters. Now, due to relatively lower annual precipitation in temperate grasslands, there are few trees except for those found growing along the rivers or streams. The dominant vegetation tends to consist of grasses, some prairies, sustained population of grazing animals. Grasslands also are home to a vast variety of mammals, reptiles, birds, and insects. Next are the cold deserts. Now, cold deserts occur in Ladakh region of Himalayas, Tibet, and Bolivia, Arctic. Characteristics of cold deserts: the cold deserts occur at high elevations where the temperatures are low and rainfall scanty. Most cold deserts have sagebrush plants. The next terrestrial biome is tundra. Tundra is the most common example of fragile ecosystem. Tundra, which means marshy plain, it lies north of the latitude, that is in between the Arctic Ocean and polar ice caps and the forest to the south. 5 million kilometers area of tundra stretch across Northern America, North Europe, and Siberia. The characteristics of tundra are: the ground remains frozen except for the uppermost 10 to 20 centimeters, which thaw during the brief summer. The permanently frozen deeper soil layer, it is called as permafrost. The permafrost line, which may exist at the depth of few centimeters to several meters, is said to be the ultimate limit of the plant root growth. The vegetation found in this region is of grasses, sedges, mosses, and lichens. The most characteristic Arctic tundra plant is the lichen, which is known as the reindeer moss, Cladonia. The animals that have adapted to survive in the tundra are the reindeer, musk ox, the Arctic hare, Arctic fox, polar bear, wolves, lemmings, snowy owls, and migratory birds. Coming to the summary, in this module, we have studied about the terrestrial biome, that is temperate and tundra. The temperate forests are further divided into temperate deciduous forest, temperate evergreen woodland, also known as chaparral, and temperate rainforest. The next is temperate grasslands, and finally we have studied about the cold deserts. These are the references. Thank you.